Today's video is 3 days of what I eat in a day on the Weight Watchers plan. So if you'd like to see what I eat for the next 3 days, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you through 3 days of eating on the Weight Watchers points plan in Florida. A couple things I did in the day, but I'm going to probably go over 3 days. So if you'd like to see it, come on along and spend these 3 days of eating with me. So for breakfast this morning, I am making some Kodiak pancakes. I'm having 2 of them with a 2-point piece of turkey sausage. And the Kodiak chocolate chip pancakes are 5 points for the 2. So this breakfast is 7 points. This is the Kodiak Power Cake mix I use for that. It's 5 points for the pancake and 2 points for the turkey sausage. It is a Jimmy Dean turkey sausage. And then I'm going to put a little bit of sugar-free syrup for 0 points. And that is my breakfast. It is 7 points, plus the iced coffee is 1 point, so 8-point breakfast. For lunch, I am frying some of that turkey bologna, or smoked turkey. I'm going to brown it up a little bit so it's like a hot dog. And I'm going to serve it, have it on 2 pieces of toasted Sara Lee white bread. So this is going to be 4-point sandwich. And there is my sandwich. It is 2 points for the bread, 2 points for the turkey bologna. And I use a teaspoon of ketchup, so I'm going to count that as 0 points. So a 4-point sandwich for lunch. Here's my dinner tonight. I'm having a baked potato for 4 points with 2 points worth of light butter on it and a 6-point piece of steak and some green beans with garlic, and that is my dinner tonight. I'm sitting outside eating on a nice Florida evening. For a snack tonight, I am having a 3-point bag of these Smart Sweets sweet fish. They're pretty good. They taste like the regular Swedish fish. So that's what I'm having tonight, 3 points. Today's breakfast, I'm going back to one of my favorites. I'm going to make a sausage sandwich. I have a piece of turkey sausage and an egg in the pan, and I will combine it together for a sandwich. The sausage is 2 points. And there's my sandwich. I have the egg on top of the turkey sausage, 1 piece of 2-point American cheese on a 2-point English muffin. This is a 6-point sandwich. And I had an iced coffee for 1 point, so 7 points for this breakfast this morning. This is one of my favorites. It's quick, it's easy, go to. In the pool again, getting some steps, some exercise in the water. I hope you guys aren't bored with my activities here in Florida. I don't do much besides go to the pool, go to the track, but thought I'd update you a little bit. I like to walk back and forth, getting steps in, and do some water aerobics or exercise against the water, some swimming. So that's kind of what I do. But it is nice that I'm able to do it in Florida. It is about 87 degrees today. Working on my tan, and that's about it. I hope you enjoy these videos. Let me know if you'd like to see something different in the comments below. Talk to you later. For lunch, I made some egg salad. I combined 2 hard-boiled eggs with 1 point's worth of light Miracle Whip and some minced onion, and I mixed a little bit of mustard, and I'm going to mix it up and have an open-faced egg salad sandwich for lunch. There is my 1 point lunch. I usually like to eat egg salad with some crackers, but I didn't have any, so I'm having a 1 point piece of Sara Lee Delightful bread with the egg salad on top. Actually, it's a 2 point sandwich. 1 point for the bread, 1 point for the light Miracle Whip. And that is my lunch. Tonight's dinner was a grilled pork chop that I marinated in fat-free dressing, and I had some fried potatoes that I did in Pam, and the vegetables. So the pork chop is 5 points and the potatoes are 4 points. For breakfast this morning, I cut up some hard-boiled eggs into slices, and then I had a English muffin for 2 points with 2 points worth of light butter and jelly on it. So along with my iced coffee, this makes it a 5 point breakfast. For my lunch, along with the Diet Pepsi, I am having a sandwich with bacon, 1 point's worth of bacon, 1 point worth of turkey, and 1 point worth of light Miracle Whip. This sandwich is 5 points. It's on 2 points worth of Sara Lee Delightful bread. I wish I had some tomato because it would be like a club sandwich. And I don't have any fruit here, so that's it for lunch. I got my nails done today. Nice blue color with 1 silver, sparkly. My toes too, mani-pedi today. It took me 2 hours. For dinner tonight, I baked some fries for 4 points and made a patty melt sandwich out of 93.7 ground beef with grilled onions, cheese on 1 slice of rye bread. So that sandwich is 8 points and the fries are 4. For a snack tonight, I had a Yasso coffee chocolate chip bar. It's 5 points and 100 calories. They're really good. They come in several different flavors, but that's the size of it. So that's going to be the end of my 3 days of eating on the Weight Watchers plan. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.